In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule Facebook posts on the Meta Business Suite. Now, it's really easy to do. We first just need to head over to the Meta Business Suite. Now, you can do that either by clicking the Meta Business Suite from the left-hand side, or you can just come up to the address bar and type in business.facebook.com and then press enter. Now, once you're on the Meta Business Suite, click on the drop-down arrow in the top left-hand side and just make sure you're signed in to the correct business asset. Now, once you're signed in, you can go and press content from the left navigation. We then need to click on create post. You can click on the drop down arrow next to post to, and you can select whether you want to post this to either Facebook or Instagram. Now, if you're adding photos or videos to your post, then you need to click on this add button here, and then you can go and upload either the photo or the video. So I'm just going to be uploading this photo here. Now you can come down to the post details, and this is where we need to type in the message for our post. So I'm just going to type in something simple so you can see how this looks. Over in the right hand side, you'll see what this will look like on Facebook, and you can also click on the mobile tab and it will show you what this will look like on a mobile as well. You can also use the hashtag tool in the bottom right hand side, and this will help show your post to more people. So if there's any relevant hashtags that are related to this post, then you can just go and add them from here. We're then going to scroll down to scheduling options and turn on set date and time. You can then select a date and a time that you want to schedule this post for. You can also click on active times, and if you have enough data collected on your Facebook page, it will show you what times your audience are most active. So I'm just going to go ahead with this time here and press save. You can then scroll down to privacy settings, and typically we're going to have this set to public. You have the option to boost the post as well, and this is where you pay Facebook to advertise the post. For this one, we're just going to leave this turned off, and then we can press schedule. So now you'll just need to wait a few moments while that goes ahead and schedules your post. And once you're finished, you can just click back on content from the left hand side. You can then click on scheduled, and all of your scheduled posts will show from this window. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.